वो कलाम नहीं कमाल थे, मिसाइल मैन वो बेमिसाल थे। उनकी खूबियां करती रहेंगी पथ प्रदर्शन मेरा, वो मेरी मातृभूमि की ढाल थे। With these inspiring words, I will share few words for Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is known as Missile Man of India. He is famous as Kalam Chacha in students. He is also called as People's President. His full name is Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. He was born on 15 October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Ramanathapuram district, Tamil Nadu. His father's name is Jainuddin, mother's name is Ashyama, and she is homemaker. In his childhood, he used to sell newspaper because of poor conditions of his home. Mathematics was his favorite subject. Kalam earned a degree in aeronautical engineering from the Madras Institute of Technology and in 1958 joined the Defence Research and Development Organization DRDO. He soon moved to the Indian Space Research Organization where he was project director of the SLV-3, India's first indigenously designed and produced satellite launch vehicle. Rejoining DRDO in 1982, Kalam planned the program that produced a number of successful missiles which helped earn him the nickname Missile Man. From 1992 to 1997, Kalam was scientific advisor to the Defence Minister and he later served as Principal Scientific Advisor to the government with the rank of Cabinet Minister. His prominent role in the country's 1998 nuclear weapons test established Kalam as the national hero. Although the test caused great concern in the international community, in 1998, Kalam put forward a country-wide plan called Technology Vision 2020, which he described as a roadmap for transforming India from a less developed to a developed city in 20 years. The plan called for, among other measures, increasing agriculture productivity, emphasizing technology as a vehicle for economic growth and productivity, and widening access to healthcare and education. In 2002, India's ruling National Democratic Alliance put forward Kalam to succeed outgoing President Koshril Raman Narayanan. Kalam was nominated by the Hindu nationalist NDA even though he was Muslim, and his stature and popular appeal were such that even the main opposition party, the Indian National Congress, also proposed his candidacy. Kalam easily won the election and was sworn in as India's 11th president. A largely ceremonial post in July 2002. He remained committed to using science and technology to transform India into a developed country. In 2007, Kalam left office and was succeeded by Pratibha Patil, the country's first woman president. Kalam wrote several books, including an autobiography, Wings of Fire. Among his numerous awards were two of the country's highest honors, the Padma Vibhushan and the Bharat Ratna. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was very famous in children and scientific community. In his autobiography, Wings of Fire, he shared his life experience with us. Sadly, on 27 July 2015, at age 83, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam collapsed and died from an apparent cardiac arrest while delivering a lecture at the Indian Institute of Management, Shillong. He is an inspiration not just to Indians but to the world. He started from nothing and reached the pinnacle of success. 15 October, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday is celebrated as World Student Day across the whole world. Now at last, I want to recite a poem written by APJ Abdul Kalam for youths of India. Title is The Vision. I climbed and climbed, where is the peak, my lord? I plucked and plucked, where is the knowledge treasure, my lord? I sailed and sailed, where is the island of peace, my lord? Almighty bless my nation with vision and sweat resulting into happiness. Thank you so much, Aztec News.